Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the cylinders for surface area, and it's going to go hand in hand with the prisms that we did yesterday. So just like a prism, a cylinder has two bases, and the bases are circles, okay? The only difference is that circles don't have edges. They're round. And so our lateral area for a circle is this part right here. Remember, lateral area does not include the ceiling or the floor. It just includes the walls. So in this case, it does not include the circles. So my lateral area, we do have to consider the circumference of the circle. So that's why you have this formula here for the circumference. And this is the formula. Lateral area equals 2 pi r times your height, okay? The height of your prism. You want to write that somewhere. You can put that here. H equals height. I said prism, sorry. The height of the cylinder. Okay? And then, so just like prisms, our bases are the two circles that I said here. So this would be the big B and the big B. Remember, big B is area of your base. So what is the area formula of a circle? Does anyone remember? The area of a circle is pi r squared, okay? And so when we do the total surface area, we have to add the area of the two bases that we didn't add in just the lateral area. So for total surface area, we're going to write the formula. The total surface area is your lateral area. So watch this. I'm just going to copy this. Copy the lateral. Paste it. And then we're going to add, just like yesterday, the two bases. So instead of writing 2 big B, all cylinders have the same base, which is a circle. So for cylinders, we're actually going to write the formula for the area, which is right here. Pi r squared. And then you close those parentheses. Make sure that you have the formula written down correctly right now, because a lot of times students just don't write the formula down correctly. And then they do math wrong the whole time. So there's lateral area and then surface area. And you have your formulas, okay? Oops, that didn't connect. All right, so just remember surface area includes the lateral area, and then you add the two bases. So yesterday, it was this formula. Your lateral area plus 2b. That's the same thing as this, okay? So let's try one. It says, find the lateral and total surface area of each cylinder below. So I'm going to do the first one with you. So I like to label on my cylinder the height. And, of course, that's my radius. And that's basically the only two measurements we need. So lateral area equals, what is it? 2 pi r times height. And then I'll do total surface area over here, which is 2 pi r times height plus my two bases, the area of the two bases, okay? So let's do lateral first. So lateral area equals 2 pi r, radius is 4, the height of the cylinder is 9. We would type that into Desmos. So you would open up Desmos. 2 pi times 4 times 9. And we're going to round to the hundredth. So the lateral area equals 226.20. inches squared. Okay. Total surface area. Let's plug in our numbers. So it's your lateral. So the same thing we just did. Plus 2 bases. Pi 4 squared. Excuse me. Please double check your parentheses. Make sure you have everything written correctly. Let me rewrite this. That's a 4. Okay, so we plugged in a radius. We plugged in, this is a pi symbol right here, by the way. Sometimes my students get confused. So we plugged in the radius, we plugged in the height, we plugged in the radius here. And that's it. So we are going to plug that into Desmos. And actually, since we already have the lateral, all I just have to do is add. So notice how I already had that typed in there. 2 pi, and then parentheses. Sorry, don't do what I did. Parentheses, pi, another parentheses, 4, close it, squared, close it. So our total surface area of the cylinder is 326.73. And we are doing inches squared. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Cylinders are easy, just like circles. There's only 2 things to plug in. Be careful with this one. This is not the radius. This is the diameter. So we would have to divide by 2. And that would give us a radius of 10.2 centimeters. So just write that down. And then 22 is my height. Over here, 9 is my height. 11 is the radius. Okay, so you're going to do those 2, and you're going to check your work and make sure that you have the right answers. Okay, have a good day.